Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 11 operating system as well as Windows 10 operating system. You have to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. So first of all, you have to just right click here on the start icon. You can also go to the search bar and type your settings, and if you click on the right click on the start icon, then you will get setting option here. Once you are here, you have to click on these three lines and select the time and language. Now we have to select the language and region, and from here you have to add a language. Right now in my system I selected English United States language, so my keyboard layout will be set as a English United States language. So if you click on add language, and if I download the any other language, so and from here you have to set that language, then your keyboard layout will be changed as per the new language. So with this way you can set and change the layout of your keyboard. It's very easy. Try this and you will fix your issue. So that's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Please check out the pinned comment.